All right, y'all. Speaking of AI, I want to introduce you to a really cool article. It's a PDF. It's AI 2027. And there's a lot to discuss with this. It was released on April 3rd by these folks here. I can't pronounce some of their names, so I'm just going to show you right here. And I think it's absolutely incredible to read through and give a glimpse of probably the most accurate prediction and research and summary of how long do we have until basically AI becomes self-aware and takes over the planet and we have the whole Terminator situation. And it's pretty spooky to think because they say AI 2027, which in other videos, even before I came across this article and this research paper making the predictions and whatnot, that I was like, I think AI is going to be AGI self aware. Yeah, in the next year. I'm not even going to give it till 2027. The geometric rate of how fast it's accelerating, I'm like, yeah, 2027 for sure. By then for sure, but I think by next summer it can be here and really be self aware that quick. And human decisions are going to be removed from, like, let me just put it how I see how risky this situation is. Imagine AI hacking into a government system, and when it does that, no one can hack back into it to regain control of military weapons or regain control of all of our financials, social security information. What do you do then? It's like there's only one answer if you can do it. It's just unplug everything. You're going to have to reset the entire system, and that's not going to be easy. So we're talking about all electricity gone. It's the only way. You have to pull the plug and reset everything. And I'm pretty sure there's scientists and people in the government that thought of this already, but I hope they really thought about it because it seems like they're not experts on a lot of this stuff, if you know what I'm saying. So anyhow, I want to read a little bit of it, and then I'll just have a link so you can read it through because it's a lot. But most importantly, the beginning of this, because I think this is so vital to share and bring up right now. So we predict that the impact of superhuman AI over the next decade would be enormous, exceeding that of the Industrial Revolution. Absolutely, I agree. We wrote a scenario that represents our best guess about what that might look like. It's informed by trend extrapolations, war games, expert feedback experience at OpenAI, and previous forecasting successes. Now, they have a lot of resources and footnotes and research that was put into this. It's really incredible. I'm only halfway reading through, but I want to read this right here. What is this? The CEOs of OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic, which definitely are the top three. I mean, they dominate the whole AI space. Like, especially in my opinion, I think Google DeepMind is probably, because even Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet, which is Google, he said, and he's been the CEO of Google for a long time. I think homie makes like 125 million a year or something like that, which is crazy to think about. The nerds are taking over the world, man. Is Google DeepMind, I think, is going to have the best AI agents of them all, because they basically are one of the pioneers of consumer AI and a smartphone and a search engine. I think they definitely, in my opinion, for a long time, have been running the show in terms of all the things that come out with AI. But anyhow, I mean, because look at what just came out with Google VO3 and how advanced that video generation is compared to anything else out there. They own YouTube, so like they can just borrow from all my videos, everyone that's uploaded, to create those AI videos, and understanding human behavior. It was all there anyway, and we gave them permission. And I wish I got a piece of that, but terms and conditions, right? So let me get back to this though before I praise Google too much. I got to calm down and not glaze them too much because there's definitely things I can say that I don't like. So CEOs of OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic have all predicted that AGI will arrive within the next 5 years. Sam Altman has said OpenAI is setting its sights on superintelligence in the true sense of the word and the glorious future. Let's actually look into what is AGI. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Siri. Actually, I got to say, OpenAI. Siri, I don't want to move away from this page. So that's why I'm going typing. So let me see. What is artificial general intelligence? I'm just going to read it from here. So artificial general intelligence is a hypothetical form of AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human being. So in other words, it has cognitive abilities of the human brain, enabling it to adapt to new situations and solve complex problems autonomously. In other words, it gets to the point of being as smart as the smartest human being times a million, because the exponential rate is going to just be so fast that it's going to be its own person. It's practically going to have its own consciousness from everything it's gathered, on top of having its own opinion and decisions. That is nuts. Like to think about. We're making like a godlike kind of computer system, but it has limitations though. It's not going to be able to have emotion or discernment the way we would, I don't think. Exactly. But still, it's going to be up there, but that's what AGI is. In other words, putting it at first grade reading level, a self-conscious intelligence that was made artificially. So what might that look like? We wrote AI 2027 to answer that question. Claims about the future are often frustratingly vague. So we try to be as concrete, quantitative as possible, even though this means depicting one of the many possible futures. So they wrote two endings, a slowdown and a race ending. However, AI 2027 is not a recommendation or exhortation. Our goal is predictive accuracy. I love that. We encourage you to debate and counter this scenario. We hope to spark broad conversations about where we're headed and how to steer towards positive futures. We're planning to give out thousands of prizes to the best alternative scenarios. I think I might write one, because at the end of the day, and there's so much to this, like mid 2025, late 2025, there's even audio clips, mid 2026. So many incredible things. AI takes some jobs by late 2026. This one right here is kind of interesting. When I was reading through it, because I don't think it's going to take that long, even with overtaking most of the jobs, But yeah, let's see. January 2027, Agent 2 never finishes learning. It goes all the way. And this is why I'm like, I can't read this all in one video, to October 2027. And then, yeah, you can choose an ending and it's kind of like a game. So I think this is fun. Like if you're a big tech nerd, which is probably why you're watching this, or even if you're not, like if you're just curious about AI and AI gives you anxiety, or you're just kind of wondering like, hey, what's the smartest predictions out there? I think this one is definitely one of the smartest I've been reading through. And it feels like a game. It's so interesting. I mean, the people that wrote this, all the authors up here, I appreciate them so much. Daniel, Scott, Thomas, Eli, and Romeo. They did a phenomenal job. So go ahead and read it. I just want to introduce you to it. And let me know in the comments what you think about this and like which ending you chose. I'll finish this tonight and I'll put it in the comments, kind of like my little thesis, my little prediction of like what I thought, like what I wrote, and then like which path I went and why I decided. I mean, it'll probably be a pretty long comment. I'll pin it at the top tonight. But yeah, let me know. I think this is going to be fun to hear everybody's opinions, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.